To create a make one right leaning increase, you're going to use this strand that is between the next stitch on the needle and the stitch you've just worked. If you want it right leaning, you're going to take this strand and pick it up from the back. So you can either do it with the tip of the needle like this, but sometimes it's easier to just lift it up like this, so then you can easily slide that on from the back, just like that. And now what you're going to do is knit into the front of that stitch that you picked up. So you can see what you've done is actually twisted the strand, and that ensures that you don't have a hole. If you accidentally knit it from the other side, so if you pick this up from behind and if you knit this through the back loop, what you've actually created is a big open hole. So if you pick it up from behind, knit it in to the front, and then that will twist it for you and close the stitch off.